I'm gonna do condensed glue gel on this to really I'm using like 5 different sheets of it because I like all of them. Some of them has really cute designs. You got to name this set, and the winners will be announcing on Monday. Maybe we do some cute flowers on this side. All right. I think it's great. Do you want to do another one too? We can do this one in gold. Everyone, it's just really cool that today that we did something is really fun. Here is that set that I'm going to do. I like this a little bit more sparkle. There you go. Tiny little. I'm gonna save that spot to do my crystal in there. And then next will be that silver. I have this silver from that sheet right there, and it's like 68 right there. You can add more as you prefer. I'm excited to see what you come up with this. And then this, the last one is a silver. We're probably gonna put some gold on this. This set is super cute. I like the wing. I want the bigger one. There you go. It's so easy to paste on. Right here. You can do it straight. You can do it like however you prefer. Okay, great. You can add more. I think you can layer them underneath. I wonder how is that gonna look like. You think it's gonna be like is 3-dimensional look. So now I'm going to using my condensed glue gels. And my chin chip brush. My crystal plickers. Oh, it's a really thick density. And this condensed glue gel is really thick density. Is not only helping good putting a crystal together, also is help so much with encapsulating all of your stickers. So if you have any of like troubleshootings with like your stickers, it keep coming off in the corner, or it just peeling off after a couple of days because the top coat not covers this completely. This bestie will really solve the troubleshooting. That is so cool. It's hidden underneath right now. All right, so let's do some of the no wipe top coat on this one. Here you go. And I am going to do the no wipe top coat. If you want matte top coat, you put matte on it. If you want the no wipe, then put the no wipes on. However your clients prefer. If they want to do floating, the no wipe top coat on the top of your unclear condensed glue gel, it will completely seal all the stickers or encapsulating. Oh, it's so cute. All right. So I'm gonna do, let's see, we have yellow nails. Maybe I should do yellow, or should I do a pink one? You can do like in the same colors, or you can using a different like tone of it. You can absolutely using the same color like yellow and yellow crystals. This is so fun, and you can get it from the $5 nail art corner. I'm so thrilled about this. It have frame on it. It have the little chains and a lot of cool things in here. So you can add more if you needed it. I'm just using from that super cute. It's custom made for you. All right, so now let's see if I can find one more smaller crystals. I'm so excited. Today is a cool content for us. I just want just a little one. There you go. And now we are going to cure this for 60 seconds, and we'll move on to the second nails.